Hi everyone. This video is a short tutorial on how to complete your documentation for your observation. So we'll go ahead and start by searching for the particular assignment. So all you need to do is go to search for assignment and type in the beginning where we start the conclusion of field experience documentation. And go ahead and click on that. This is what it should look like. So it's due by October 19th at 11:59 p.m. It would be really nice if you could get that documentation to me before that time. Just for the fact is, if you do not complete something, that I have a chance to get a hold of you to have the proper documentation submitted. So let's take a look at all of this. And this is just go through step by step on what you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is upload the items below to the assignment and submit the items to the Student Professional Experience Coordinator, or if you're at the sites, the Educational Coordinator and Advisor. So here is the handbook right here. And then I wanted to tell you this lists the documents that you need to do and then the online survey as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Field Experience Handbook. It's the cover sheet, table of contents, and I'm not going to read this all to you. I don't have that much time in a video, but this is just to give you the overall arching view of what you should be doing. So make sure that the highlights, it says 10 clinical hours in the integration of methods and field experience. So these are the things you should know, what you should be able to do, understand. And below that is listed the in-task principles and course alignment. And that just talks about the different areas and the standards that you're going to be covering in this experience. So here's kind of the meat and the potatoes of the assignment, the requirements of the course. And I took a screenshot of that and forwarded that to everyone. And then this is the part that I'm sure everybody's really concerned about, is the grading. The grading for this is a pass-fail system. So in order to pass, you must submit all the logs, and that's on page 11. Please be sure to fulfill the time requirement in a minimum of 10 hours in the classroom. Complete the log sheet on page 10. It's very important that you receive favorable evaluation from the cooperating teacher using that form on page 15. And return a copy of the cooperating teacher lesson feedback form to me, and they'll do that via Canvas. And then complete the online survey. And if you leave out any of those things, you will fail the course. So that's why it's pretty vital that you get things to me in plenty of time. So if you're having trouble with your placement, that's the people you should contact there. And then let's go through the responsibilities of everybody involved. Okay, for the responsibilities for me is that make sure that you are able to complete the 6 sections for the classroom visit log for the 10-hour experience, and that's on page 11, and we can discuss that in class. If you have any trouble at all with lesson planning with your teacher, or if you need some structure or assistance in your lesson preparation, please get a hold of me. And we'll talk about the teaching experience. And then I will complete all the necessary, direct you to complete all the necessary paperwork in the grading section that is in this assignment. So this is the responsibilities of your cooperating teacher. And then the responsibilities of you as well. Just wanted to touch lightly on these 3 expectations. Please make sure you dress very professionally and act very professionally. When you do this and you're in a school, you're visible to more people than you think you are. So it's very important that people see you as a professional. You're representing yourself and the BVU college as well. And we want to get your name out there and very positive things going when the administrators and other teachers see you, because hopefully they have job openings and you will be able to get in on that. So I can't stress that enough. You take your commitment seriously. We want you to be punctual, cooperate, and all those great adjectives and things, have adverbs, how to act. It won't be acceptable for you to be tardy or absent. So make sure you take care of that. And then here's the assignment overview. It talks about the classroom visit log for each classroom visit. And make sure that's each. There's your 10-hour log sheet, the cooperating teacher lesson feedback, the cooperating teacher feedback, your self-assessment portion, and they ask that you write a thank you note to your cooperating teacher at the end of your experience. And then you're going to go ahead and complete an online survey that's in the Canvas portion. So looking at the forms, here's a handy dandy little checklist. I'm a list person too, so this might be helpful for you. And then listed below is the log sheet. And then your classroom visit log. A lot of people hand write that, because it's easier when you're observing. There's your cooperating teacher lesson feedback, cooperating teacher feedback, your self-assessment, and then this portion down here, that is now listed. If you go back to this, it's on this student evaluation of the field experience. And I apologize, it does say 17-18, but that is current for now as well. So this is a bit of a very brief explanation on the conclusion of the field experience documentation. Please let me know what concerns or question you have. If you need to get a hold of me immediately, please use my cell. That works really well. And don't worry, no question is too silly. I want you to make sure you're very comfortable with this assignment. So please contact me with any concerns. Thank you so much.